Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to find job vacancy through WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Launch the WhatsApp app. After you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to find job vacancy through WhatsApp, you need to join related groups on WhatsApp. There are many job-related WhatsApp groups that you can join. As you can see, I've joined this group. It's called Smart Kila Job Seekers. So in this group chat, there are a lot of job vacancy posted every day. So how to join these kind of WhatsApp groups? First of all, you need to go to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp group link. There is a website called whatsgrouplink.org. Tap on this website link. Once you're inside the web page, scroll down and here you will find different active WhatsApp group links. There are movie group links, YouTube WhatsApp group links, group chats for students, and here you can see job WhatsApp group links. So you can scroll through and explore the group links and you will find job related WhatsApp groups. So similarly, you can search for WhatsApp group regarding your location in order to find job vacancies. For example, if I were to join any of these groups over here, I'll just tap on this join button right next to it and it will prompt me to the group page on WhatsApp. Just tap on join group and there you go. I've successfully joined the WhatsApp group. Now you can type in any messages to ask for job vacancies. Someone from this group will reply if they want to help you or if they want to provide you with your preferred job vacancies. So that's it. That's how we can ask for job vacancies through WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.